just two joined together.
Looks like a P-38.
Yeah. Quite superb.
Now I've seen everything.
Yeah, that's the trouble, isn't it? Yeah.
Old drop tank off a P-51 Mustang.
It did look familiar.
I thought, what can I use to put the box, you know, bits in? And that was the easiest way. Yeah.
Fascinated to see how this goes.
Jacob, will you launch it? It's easy enough to launch on my own, but
If you've got another pair of hands, it's worth someone else doing it for you.
Wait, which way's it going?
well, I don't know, just launch it straight up there.
I'm not standing.
You just got to wait for a thermal. Stop flying, get back there and starts going back to that although it does have downdraft. Randy.
Do you want to run and get it?
So literally that's two little gliders
Yeah, just join together.
glued together.
Yeah, just cut a wing on the dihedral part, join the two together, bit of a brace underneath the wing, and away you go. Again, that's not got any extra weight in it.
That's brilliant.
Different
That's the best thing I've seen today.
That's all it is. And, you know,
Yeah.
I've just made a balsa.
Oh, just to stiffen up the elevator. Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Oh, it is a balsa elevator.
yeah,
I'm with
balsa
you.
elevator.
Yeah.
Matt's built one of these as well, but he's got different. Oh, he can alter the throttles on both engines, and that flies really well.
Oh, okay. Could do some wild stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much for that. Cheers.